How to redeem gift card in Uber Eats. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipen Basnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can easily redeem and use your gift card on Uber Eats. Now while you may think that it's complicated, and if you didn't get the solution, then here I am. I'll quickly guide you. Now the process is quick and simple. You want to simply open up your Uber Eats application. Unfortunately in my case the app itself is unavailable in my region, so I won't be able to show you. However, I'll be showing you through the browser here. Once you open up your Uber Eats application, or if you open up your Uber Eats browser here on your PC or your phone, you'll get an interface somewhat like this once you're signed in. What you want to do is you want to tap on the three horizontal line icon or the hamburger icon at the top left corner of your screen. Once there, what you want to do is you can see various options: orders, favorites, wallet. Now on the app as well, you'll get the similar options. You're gonna simply head into the wallet option. Once you tap on wallet option, your wallet to load up. Here you can see payment methods, and under it you can see add payment method and you can see add voucher. Now you do not want to head into add voucher option. You want to head into add payment method option, and there you'll find the PayPal option, gift card option, and credit or debit card option. You want to simply select the gift card option. You want to enter in your gift card code, and at the bottom of the screen you can see apply option. Simply tap on apply and you'll be able to redeem it. So this way you can easily redeem your gift card in Uber Eats. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.